Hey, and welcome, Leverage WP community. I wanted to do a quick video about this new feature in Cloudflare. If you're using Cloudflare as I recommend as your DNS provider, you can now provide notes for your reference so that you know what each of the DNS records that are present in one of your domain names is for. And so oftentimes, if you look in my Cloudflare account here, in this new domain that I have, you can see these little tooltips. They're little notes that I've created that don't affect what the DNS records are or how they work. They're just reference notes for me. And if you look here at one of my client sites, oftentimes if you've moved domains from different registrars or moved hosting, there might be a lot of different DNS records where you don't know what they are. They're just a lot of CNAME records here. And you might be afraid, like I am, to delete any DNS records for fear that they might be working for something. And so moving forward, it's a good idea to go ahead and add notes for DNS records that you create so that you can refer to them later and it makes it easy. So how do you do that? Here is an A record, and if you just click Edit in Cloudflare, under the editing window right here is a place called Record Attributes. It says it doesn't impact the DNS record resolution. It's only meant for your reference, and is just a field where you can write yourself a comment and then click Save. And that will make this little tooltip here. And I have one here. This version points to the canonical or the original domain as a www. But as you add domain records, I'm going to make it my habit now to go ahead and add notes for myself. So I hope that's helpful.